Welcome dear students. Today in this video lecture we are going to derive the formula for calculations of power absorbed in the viscous flow in case of footstep bearing. So here we have one shaft and the bearing. So shaft is having a diameter of D and radius is R. We apply the oil film having a thickness of T which separate the surfaces of shaft and bearing. Now students, to calculate the viscous resistance in footstep bearing, let us we consider one elementary ring having a radius of R and the width of this elementary ring is dr. So let we first write the D is a diameter of shaft, then T is the thickness of oil film, then N is the speed of shaft in RPM. Now we consider an elementary ring at a radius of R having a width of dr. So the area of elementary ring, which is dA, equals to 2 pi r into dr. Now students, we know the Newton's law of viscosity, and using which we can be able to calculate the shear stress acting in between the shaft and bearing. So let we apply the Newton's law, and using which we can calculate the shear stress. So shear stress tau equals to mu du by dy. So here the distance between the bearing and the shaft is t, so what dy is t. Bearing is stationary and shaft is rotated at a velocity of v, so we get mu into v minus 0 divided by t, where v is the tangential velocity of shaft. So we know that v equals to r into omega, and omega is angular speed, so we get 2 pi n divided by 60. Now we put down the value of v over here, so tau equals to mu into v divided by t, and v equals to 2 pi n divided by 60. Now from this we calculate the shear force acting on the ring. So dF equals to tau into the dA. So we get dF equals to tau, and tau equals to mu by t into 2 pi n divided by 60 into dA, that is 2 pi r into dr. So the value of dF is mu 4 pi square n into r square into dr divided by 60t. Now students, we calculate the torque required to overcome this viscous resistance. So dt equals to df into r. So we get 4 mu pi square n r square dr divided by 60t into r. So we get dt equals to 4 mu pi square n r cube dr divided by 60t. So dt is the torque required to overcome the resistance for only elementary ring. To find out the total torque required, we need to do the integrations of this dt over 0 to r. So T is the total torque so here T equals to integration 0 to r dt integration 0 to r. Value of dt is 4 mu pi square n r cube dr divided by 6 tt. So now student, 4 mu pi square n and t are constant, so we kept out of the integrations. So in integration we get r cube into dr. We know the integrations of r to the power 3 is r to the power 4 divided by 4. So we get 4 mu pi square n divided by 6 tt into r to the power 4 divided by 4. So finally the answer of T is mu pi square n r to the power 4 divided by 6 tt. And students, now we calculate the power absorbed. So power absorbed P equals to 2 pi n t divided by 6t. So we put down the value of t. So 2 pi n divided by 6t into t means mu pi square n r to the power 4 divided by 6 tt. So our final answer is mu pi to the power 3 n to the power 2 r to the power 4 divided by 30 into 6 tt. So this is the formula using which we can be able to calculate the power absorbed in case of footstep bearings. Thank you students for attending this video lecture. Thank you.